creating money from debt. Banks do more than just store our money. If they didn't, they wouldn't make us as much money as they do. They offer loans to people from the deposits they receive, upon which they charge interest. Most central banks require that a certain percentage of those deposits are reserved. For example, suppose the Federal Reserve, the American Central Bank, demands a reserve requirement of 10%. Bob then proceeds to deposit $100 of his hard-earned money into Bank A. $10 of this must be reserved, but Bank A can loan out the remaining $90 with interest to Susie. Susie then deposits this $90 into Bank B, where $9 is reserved and $81 is loaned out again, and the process continues. So that $100 deposited by Bob can be used by various banks to create up to $900 of credit out of thin air. Hence the name, creating money from debt. On another related but somewhat different note, fiat money is simply money that isn't backed by anything like gold or silver. It only holds value because everyone accepts that it does. However, since the 15th century, approximately 609 currencies have gone out of circulation. So what happened to these lost currencies? Well, 153 were destroyed by hyperinflation caused by the overissuance of money. The remaining lost currencies were either revalued, destroyed by military occupation or liberation, renamed for political reasons, or converted to another currency. All of this has resulted in the median age of existing currencies being only 17 years. Now you are probably wondering, what does reserve fractional banking and fiat currencies have to do with me? Well, fiat currencies present the possibility that any currency could become worthless or devalued at any time. In addition, by creating money out of thin air through fractional reserve banking will one day lead to a collapse in the banking industry. So what can you do to help protect yourself from these risks? The answer is simple. Invest in physical precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, as they have always been valued and will help maintain and grow your wealth. You can invest with Canadian Bullion Services, a precious metals dealer located in Toronto. Canadian Bullion Services has a reputation for having the best prices and excellent customer service. So if you have any questions or are interested in investing in precious metals, email us or give us a call at the number below.